Hey there, Jessica in the house, coming at you hotter than a server crash on Cyber Monday. Today, we're talking about that juicy mystery meat, that enigma wrapped in a riddle, that magical internet potion called a reverse phone lookup. Ever get a call from some shadowy number, your heart doing the samba in your chest like you just saw Justin Bieber at Coachella? Yeah, we've all been there. So you search high and low, Google in one hand, prayer beads in the other. Just praying to the tech gods for an answer. And that, my friends, is where the reverse phone lookup steps in, your digital knight in shining armor. Basically, it's like a search engine for phone numbers. You toss in a mystery digit string and bam! It spits out info like number zoner, their addresses, we'll get to the ethical stuff later. Their favorite pizza topping, probably anchovies if they're calling you at 3 a.m. It's like psychic powers for nerds, only way less creepy and way less likely to get banned from them all. Now, there are a ton of reverse phone lookup tools out there, but my main squeeze, my digital boo, is that bad boy called NumLookup. Why NumLookup? Let me tell you, sis. Imagine your phone as a treasure chest filled with juicy gossip, and NumLookup is the master key. It unlocks info faster than you can say #bless, and it's even got fancy features like social media links and background checks, because sometimes you gotta do your due diligence, you know? But here's the best part. It's free, like totally gratis, no credit card required. You're welcome, universe. Now, before you go Wild West Sheriff on every unknown number, a word of caution. Not everyone wants their info out there, so use it responsibly, be respectful, and maybe don't stalk your crush with it. Unless they're super into serial killers, then maybe proceed with caution. All right, folks, you're armed with the weapon of knowledge now. Go forth, conquer the unknown, find out who's been blowing you up, and uncover the truth behind those shady texts. And remember, knowledge is power, but kindness is queen. Stay tech savvy, stay fabulous, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic tech tips.
I can hear the sound like I need to be.